In this video, I will show you the gaming performance of PUBG Mobile on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Now as you can see, the battery is currently at 68%. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G supports PUBG Mobile on super smooth graphics with extreme FPS, and it supports smooth graphics with ultra FPS, and it supports balanced graphics with ultra FPS, and it also supports HD graphics with high FPS, but it does not support HDR graphics, ultra HDR, or extreme HDR. Now in today's video, I will play PUBG Mobile on super smooth graphics with extreme FPS. Also, I will enable the gyroscope while playing the game. As you can see, this is the option for gyroscope, and I will leave it at always on. Now as you can see, this is the gyro performance of PUBG Mobile on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. The gaming performance of PUBG Mobile on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G on super smooth graphics with extreme FPS is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some minor FPS drops here and there while playing the game. But overall, the gaming performance was good. Now let's play a game in classic mode.
Cargo's on the road.
Now the gaming experience of PUBG Mobile on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some minor FPS drops here and there while I'm playing the game. As you can see, the battery is currently at 63%, and the temperature of the tablet is not warm. And this is the gaming performance of PUBG Mobile on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.